Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Terry at terryscraftroom.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on punches. So normally when we punch out something, we have a piece of paper that's big enough that we can hold and punch at the same time. But sometimes we have a scrap that is just the right size for our needs, but there's not enough room to hold it once you get it inside the punch. What do? You get any scrap piece of paper. You can use a strip that you've cut off or a piece that you've grabbed out of your trash can or your recycle bin, and you just put a little bit of tape right on the corner. You attach to one of your corners of your project, your stamped piece, and then you use that as a handle to punch or to hold your piece as you slide it in and out of your punch. It works perfectly every time. I hope you've enjoyed my little quick tip today, and check out terryscraftroom.com for more tips and tricks. I'll put a direct link over there in the description box, and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.